Entrata Insight was designed from the ground up to minimize the costs associated with license plate image review by significantly increasing the read accuracies compared to those available in the industry today. Automation is achieved through a multitude of highly optimized OCR engines, business rules specific to a region, and artificial intelligence machine learning algorithms that improve automation and accuracy over time. Entrata Insight performs vehicle signature recognition, where a license plate's unique visual characteristics are compared to a database of known signatures. Additional automation improvements are made by grouping multiple transactions with matching VSR fingerprints and comparing just a single representative transaction to the database, or manually reviewing a single transaction of that group and then applying the results to all the other transactions in that group. The suite of Entrata products has been deployed at dozens of agencies across North America as well as in many other toll collection entities around the world. Q-Free's Entrata Insight has helped several agencies employing all electronic tolling in North America save millions of dollars in operational expense and reduce leakage via high accuracy rates.